we will talk about Unity interface, panels, tools, how to work with them, how to rearrange them, and go back to default. Moreover, we will create an object and add it on our scene. We will talk about plane mode, what it is, and why we need it. Alright, let's get into Unity interface. Here we have a scene view. This is the place where we create our game. We can zoom in and out by using mouse wheel and change the view if we click here, select hand tool, and we can move it. Over here we have a hierarchy where all objects which we have in our scene are stored. Let's click here. So right now the scene has only one game object, camera, and when I click on the object, the inspector panel right here shows the settings of the object. Each object has components. For example, camera has transform and camera components. And we can add a new object by clicking on create. Let's create an empty object. So we see game object here. It is empty, that's why we don't see anything. What you need to understand is that the basic game object is the empty object which has one component, transform. You see, only one component. And if I add a sprite object, let's do it. 2D object, sprite, the sprite object, here it is. The sprite object is the empty object with the sprite renderer component. Alright, let's go ahead and choose a sprite for our sprite. To do that, click on the circle right here. Right now we have only standard ones because we haven't imported any assets yet. Okay, I choose this circle. All right, let's change its color like this. Okay, it is really small. I hope you see it. And yes, the circle right now is on our scene panel. And up here we have different tools: move, rotate, scale, and this one is move, rotate, and scale at once. And we also have a rectangle tool. All right, let's select scale tool and make my circle bigger. Like this. All right. And of course, you can also rectangle tool. All right. Let's select scale tool and make my circle bigger. Like this. All right. And of course, you can also change its size, position, and rotation here in the inspector using the transform component. For example. Now let's move it. I select move tool here. And if you want to move your object, for example, along horizontal axis, you can click on this arrow and it will be moving only right right here, right and left. And so another axis, that's up and down. But if you click here, you can move it all around the scene, all around the screen. There is one good way to recenter your object. Just right-click on Transform and select Reset. Now the position is 0, 0, 0. That means that, yes, it is in the center of the scene, but yeah, it became small again. So let me fix it like this. And there are hotkeys for all these tools. Q, W, E, R, T, Y. So Q is for the hand tool, W for move, E for rotation, and so on. If you'd like to rename your object, select it and press F2. Let's rename it circle. All right. In addition to our circle sprite, I add another one. Let it be something like this. All right. Now let's make it bigger, like this. All right. So this is our ground. Let's again select the object and type ground. All right, over here, we have project panel, which displays all the assets we have. So we can simply drag and drop our assets from here to the hierarchy panel, and they become visible on the scene panel. So let's see, what do we have here? We have our scene, the sample scene here. Save it. What else? Our sprites. Next to the scene, there is the game view. And it shows the way our scene looks in the game. Right now, it's just our circle and this white ground. Well, it's not white, I think. Let's change its color to what color? Let it be purple. Nice. Okay. You can rearrange panels just the way you like. For example, put a game here, put this panel here. Remember that you can always click here, upper right corner of a screen, and choose default. Okay, I prefer to move the game view down there so I can see the game view and the scene view at once, and the project panel next to it here. Good. Next thing is a playing mode. If you click here and wait a little bit, yes, you should wait, the playing mode starts and you can play your game. That means all objects start to behave like they do in your game, like they will do in your game. Nothing interesting is happening right now, but it will, I promise. Remember, if you click somewhere while on playing mode, for example, try to move my ground like this, these adjustments will not be saved. Look, you see, it came back. So don't forget to exit the playing mode by clicking here again. So one click here to turn the playing mode on, and next click here to turn it off.